Hi, I'm here to help you set up your Strong Mesh 1200, whether it's a duo or trio pack, in less than 5 minutes. So when you open the pack, the first thing you should find are the pack instructions, and these are important, you're going to need them. And then depending whether you've got the duo or the trio, there'll either be 2 or 3 of these units. So within each box, you'll find a unit, an Ethernet cable, and a power supply. You'll also see some additional instructions. You don't need these, focus on the ones that we opened right at the start. You will have one of these cables in each box, but you only need to use one of them, so you can forget about the one in the rest of the boxes. Now we're going to set up the master unit. We're going to be following the instructions here that you opened earlier, but don't worry, we're going to talk you through it. First of all, you need to connect the Ethernet cable into the WAN port here on the back of your unit, and you should hear a click once it's in. Finally, you just need to put the power supply in the port. So next, we're going to connect to your existing Wi-Fi router. All you need to do is take the other end of the Ethernet cable and plug it into any of these ports. Just make sure that it doesn't say WAN. You should hear a click, and that's it. I've just plugged this into the power and you can see there's a green LED light flashing. What you need to do is wait until there are 2 solid green lights. Now this can take a few minutes, so you just need to be patient. You should now have these 2 solid green lights. If you don't, just check all the cables. To connect your 2 units, you need to go to your master unit and press the button on the top until the green light starts flashing. So to connect your extender unit, also known as an agent, to your master unit, all you need to do is find a suitable location in your home, plug in the power supply, and then you're going to press and hold for a couple of seconds this button on the top until the green light starts flashing. This will take a couple of minutes to connect, so you can head back to your master unit. So the last step is to connect all your devices to your new network. You'll find the Wi-Fi network name and password underneath your master unit. Once you've connected to the network, you can then download and install the Atria Mesh app. It's free to monitor your home network, and there are loads of other helpful features on there too. If for whatever reason you need to reset, you'll find the reset button on the back. Just take a ballpoint pen, push it in for at least 5 seconds. You'll then notice the LEDs on the front of the unit will change. And that's it. We hope you enjoy your new Strong products, and for more info, visit our website.